The Himachal Pradesh High Court issued an order attaching the Himachal Bhavan in the national capital after Congress-led Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu government failed to pay electricity dues amounting to around 150 crore rupees. Now, on Jan 13, 2023, the Himachal Pradesh High Court directed the state government to pay electricity dues amounting to 64 crore along with interest at a rate of 7% per annum. The Congress government ignored the court's ruling and failed to pay the dues within the prescribed time, causing the amount to balloon to a staggering 150 crore rupees. The order stemmed from a Selhi hydropower project that was shelved, during which 64 crore rupees was deposited as upfront money or premium, and this was forfeited. After the project failed to materialize, it led to arbitration, which was ruled in favor of the petitioner or the company, the private company, and the government was asked to refund this upfront money with an interest of 7%. So 64 crores plus 7%. Now on the 19th of November, that's today, the High Court ordered the attachment of Himachal Bhavan in Delhi and directed the petitioner Selhi Hydroelectric Power Company Limited to auction the property in order to recover the dues. Now the Himachal government and its AG believe that there is no order passed, it's just a suggestion, and there is another hearing that's due in December. Rohan Gupta, spokesperson of the BJP with us, Nikul Patel, leader of the Congress with us. Namaste. Now, the larger question as per the allegation, Nikul Patel, is this Congress's revdi politics has left every state bankrupt. अब नौबत ये आ गई है कि 64 करोड़ रुपीस का प्रीमियम भी आप कोर्ट पे डिपॉजिट नहीं कर सकते. That's what's happening.
Firstly, I would like to say that the Selhi Hydro Company, which had signed MOU with Himachal Pradesh government in the year 2009, and as per the MOU, it was the BJP government who has to implement the project on time. But it has a failure. In 2017, the company went to the High Court, stating that our project is not feasible due to the government's implementation delay. Now, I would like to say that after that also you can find the Bharatiya Janata Party government for 5 years in the state, and they were not able to do it. So it is not only the failure of the Congress government that you can claim, but it's a failure of also Bharatiya Janata Party who started the project and were not able to implement in right time, which lead to such controversy. Definitely the company had paid upfront money of 64 crores that has to be returned back. So I think that it's not to claim or blame the Congress policy, but it's the poor implementation by the Bharatiya Janata Party who had not implemented the project correctly at the right time.
If you see the DPR, sir, one of the clauses, one of the clauses was that there has to be clearance or concurrence by the CEA. 2009 में सेंटर में कौन था सर? सेंट्रल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अथॉरिटी. 2011 में सेंटर में कौन था सर? सर 9 से 14 के बीच में कौन था सेंटर में जो कॉन्करेंस नहीं ला पाया? Sir, when you point one finger, three fingers point back. That's why I said this blame game.
It is due to the revdi culture, then it is not. It is not due to the revdi culture.
No, I'm saying is it due to the revdi culture that you don't even have the 64 crores to pay back to as and deposit to the court as per the court orders is what I'm asking.
Court order has been right now issued. The chief minister rightly said that we'll go into the order.
जुलाई में सर जो interim stay था वो भी हट गया था.
Order. Definitely it's a part and responsibility of the government.
निकुल जी, जुलाई में जो interim stay था वो भी हट गया था. रोहन गुप्ता, जुलाई में जो interim stay था वो भी हट गया था. And are you saying you don't have 64 crores to pay right now? Is that the condition of the Himachal government? Himachal Bhavan in Delhi, it's थोड़ा तो ego, थोड़ा pride है सर. It's embarrassing, isn't it, for anybody? रोहन गुप्ता, आपके सरकार में हुआ था और सेंटर से कॉन्करेंस नहीं आया. पहले उनकी सरकार ने नहीं किया सेंटर में, अब आप रोड लगा रहे हैं.
There are many projects when the government changed. There are technical issues due to which the projects are not implemented, and you have to return the money which has been taken as earnest deposit. It's not that this is the first time that government is changing, the other government has to return money. As you have rightly told, it is because of that revdi culture where Satasat and Patapat has ensured that Himachal's Tijori is Safachat. Their leader is showing the safe that Himachal Tijori is Saaf, Khatam ho chuka hai, Patapat ko over ho gaya. Because it's the obligation of government. This is not about the party, BJP or Congress. If they are in power, there is a High Court order. They have not ensured that the implementation of the High Court order, that money belongs to that contractor and you have to give back. पर पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? वो तो आपने बांट दिया. अब बांट दिया तो हिमाचल भवन, which is a pride of Himachal Pradesh, if this can happen, just imagine आनंद, पूरे इंडिया में ये लोग जो promises करते हैं, जनता कैसे भरोसा करेगी? I think we are on the eve of very important election. The state people are watching, whether it is Maharashtra or Jharkhand. कि ये सटासट फटाफट में हमारा भवन भी बेचने को ये लोग ना निकाल दे, तो मुझे लगता है अपने भवन की रक्षा के लिए कि वो कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं करेंगे. Idea is simple, Anand. Whenever you go and promise to the people, You have
la-
to do fiscal diligence.
See, I
Any
would- I
government.
would,
आपको जो भी
deny
promise
the-
करते हो,
With no disrespect, Congress's loss is BJP's gain because आज का अभी का पंचलाइन इस डिबेट में रोहन गुप्ता को जाता है. ये सटासट बटाबट सफाचट is a good punchline. But thing is, sir, 2014 your defense minister said we are safachat in the Tijori nationally. Now Sukhwinder Sukhu with Himachal Pradesh is saying we are safachat, Tijori is khali. So is there a trend, sir, with the Congress-led governments?
Firstly, I would say that before 2024 Lok Sabha election, my friend was with us and now he is with Bharatiya Janata Party, so he may have stated this. No worry, that is fine. Now I would like to say that the statement coined by him may be their own perception and own thought process. Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has told that we'll be looking into the High Court order, and definitely it has to be looked into. It's a responsibility of the state government, whatever claim is made by anyone to the government, because we are right now into the power in that particular state. But definitely it's a poor implementation on the part of Bharatiya Janata Party government also, because they have signed an MOU in 2009 and then the company said that it's not being implemented, so you have to return the earnest money deposit. Definitely. It was the case was filed in 2017 up to 2017 to 2022. What Bharatiya Janata Party government was doing, they have done nothing. And that is why it has led to such situation, the worst condition, and it is what we can say that shameful act for all the people
So
who
are
into
you
government,
somewhere
because
admitting
somebody
that
wants
the
to do
Himachal
business.
government, sir, I'm
Somebody
not,
wants to-
there is no absolving the
Somebody
BJP-led
wants to
governments
do
in
the
the past,
business.
be it Jairam Thakur or before that, whoever was the chief minister from BJP in the state. I am asking, currently under Sukhwinder Sukhu, does Himachal Pradesh not have 64 crore to deposit with the court? This order was, interim stay was lifted in July. We are in November. And वो 64 करोड़ 150 करोड़ हो गया सर.
See, court had directed that whatever interest has to be from the part of executive who had not implemented the project. Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu had rightly said, you can see his statement that we are going into the High Court, we are looking into the High Court order, and whatever stand has to be taken by government will be taken. But whatever my friend is telling, I would like to deny his blame of all what he says, because ultimately people are of the
You are still
Himachal
not
Pradesh
answering
has
my
given
question.
entrusted
Sir, in
responsibility
July-
to us,
in
and
July-
we will definitely justify
Nikul
all
ji-
the promises that are given.
Let Rohan Gupta answer that, but Nikul, you have not answered my question. I said July 2024, the court vacated the interim stay, and the court, correct me if I am wrong, has said that आपको प्राइवेट जो पिटिशनर प्राइवेट कंपनी को भी पैसा नहीं देना है, आप कोर्ट के साथ ये पैसा जो है जमा करके रखो 64 करोड़ रुपया. The government has not done that also.
Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu is telling we'll look into the judgment and we'll do the process.
पर
Definitely.
जुलाई से लेकर
Why not?
नवंबर तक तो जजमेंट कोई नहीं पढ़ रहा होगा ना सर.
अरे we'll do it ना, हमने मना कहाँ किया है? ऐसा नहीं होता है कि
रोहन
पैसा नहीं है.
गुप्ता.
We are pursuing.
अभी
all
सी
the-
आनंद
all the
आनंद अभी
activities.
प्रायोरिटी ये नहीं है. ये 64 करोड़ का ऑर्डर बाद में देखेंगे. अभी समोसे का इंक्वायरी चल रहा है. CID is after that. They will find out समोसा कौन खा गया. Then this matter will be taken up. This is not important. समोसा is more important. So एक बार जलेबी चला गया हरियाणा में, हिमाचल में समोसा का इंक्वायरी होगा. उसके बाद 64 करोड़ पे लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे. They will look into it. What are they talking about? This is the order in public domain. आपके पास 1 साल था. You should have complied with that. और आपको मालूम है कि that you have lost it and you have to return the money. It means it's a serious claim by that claimant. You cannot ignore that. You have to return that money with interest. It's as simple as that. और अगर वो 60 करोड़ 150 करोड़ हुआ है, what is the responsibility of the government, right? And this is the pride of Himachal, right? At the end of the day, Anand, there are certain things which are
but
symbolic.
Rohan Gupta, you have to say, when Prime Minister, when Home Minister, when a lot of the BJP government between 14 and 19 said वो जो पूरा जितना गड़बड़ करके गया था यूपीए, हमको 5 साल 7 साल तो उसको साफ करके वापस ठीक करने में लग गए. तो यहाँ
अरे
हिमाचल
रेवड़ी
प्रदेश
थोड़ी बात है.
नहीं हिमाचल प्रदेश में बीजेपी सरकार जो गड़बड़ करके गई है, सुखविंदर सुक्खू क्या उसको संभाल रहे हैं?
नहीं मेरी बात सुनिए. क्या रेवड़ी बांटने के लिए तो भाजपा ने नहीं कहा था. वो रेवड़ी के सहारे तो ये लोग सरकार में है. वोट का डिफरेंस को 0.35% था. Why? See, this is the serious message, Anand, to all the political parties. Whenever you go to the people and promise something, please do your due diligence. This is not a small thing. We are discussing something which is symbolic. Maybe tomorrow government finds some solution to that. But allowing these things to go out of proportion, where you are not able to give salaries to your people on time, where Himachal Bhavan is on sale. So I think these are not things people will take lightly. It raises serious question on the intent or the capability of the party who is giving promises to the people. You tell me which state will, believe in their promises? They will not, because आप मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे. अगर आप प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं आनंद, आपको मैनेजमेंट की कैपेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे तो जनता आप पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकती. सिंपल, इट्स
आमदनी 54, खर्चा रुपया, ऊपर से फाइन 64 करोड़. निकुल पटेल, फाइनल वर्ड.
See, the budget of Himachal Pradesh government of 24-25 is 52,965 crore. I think 64 crore is only 1% of it. So it's not a matter of, but definitely when you're into government procedure, you have to follow all the procedure and financial clearance from the government. My friend must be knowing it very well. In Gujarat also, if you see, when some bills go to the finance, we have seen that it takes 1 year, 2 years to clear all the procedures. I have so many examples to quote, but the time is not permitting me. And my friend is also from Gujarat and he knows how government procedure works. So we are having the budget and our chief minister has assured that court that will do the needful.
अच्छा, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आई हैव ओनली 30 सेकेंड्स. हिमाचल भवन दिल्ली का बिक जाएगा कि बचा लेंगे?
बचा लेंगे.
बचा लेंगे. नहीं
बिकेगा. कोर्ट ने नहीं बोला है अभी बिकने के लिए.
नहीं, आप क्योंकि कोर्ट कहेगा पैसा नहीं दिया तो फिर उसको अटैच करो, यही बोलेगा ना कोई. तो मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ.
You wait for the time. You don't come jump to the conclusion.
Okay. So you are saying the hearing is scheduled in December. तब तक आप कह रहे हैं बचा लेंगे. तब तक तो हिमाचल भवन कहीं जा नहीं रहा है, बिक नहीं रहा है. That's what you are saying. To all Himachalis who are coming to the national capital, Himachal Bhavan still remains. That's what the Congress government is claiming. Congress is claiming. Thank you, gentlemen. Short but sharp, but very nice. Thank you, engaging. Great debate. We're going to wind up. On the other side, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, the outgoing Chief Justice of Bharat, gets down to the brass tacks with Zaka Jacob. Stay with us.